How to assemble TUF Gaming VG248Q1B gaming monitor. This video will guide you to assemble VG248Q1B monitor step by step. You will find these parts inside the package box. First, open the back cover. Push the steel part off the stand and slide it into the bottom of the monitor till it is fixed. Screw on both sides. Make sure the screws are tightened. Put the back cover back on. Tilt the stand upward and install the base onto the stand. And you can start enjoying the coolest TUF gaming monitor. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.